Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, welcome to Get Veganized. Today we're going to be working with textured vegetable protein, also known as TVP. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so TVP are these little chunks. They look kind of like dog food, and these are beefish. They're like beef, but there's no meat in them. And you can buy this at Amazon or Harmony Foods. There's plenty of places on the internet to find them. So what I did is last night I marinated these in some soy sauce, some vegan Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of hot sauce, to let it absorb the flavors because they're dry. So I'm going to put this on the stove in the wok, add some things to it, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here we are on the stove. I'm going to put this in the wok. And you can use any pan you want. I just use this because the sides is big for me. Easy for me to use. And I've got this on medium to medium high. So I'm going to make a sort of barbecue sauce. So I'm going to add some ketchup, some mustard, and some hot sauce, along with the vegan Worcestershire sauce that's already in there. Little soy sauce is in there, and some water. The seasonings I used was black pepper, salt, and garlic. First I add some ketchup, about a half cup. Next I'll throw in some spicy brown mustard, about a quarter cup. And lastly some hot sauce. About 3 tablespoons. Now we just stir this up until it thickens. I'm also going to add a little bit of liquid smoke to give it that smoky flavor. About a half a tablespoon. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat off, set this aside, and get the rest of the dinner ready. We're going to have asparagus and brown rice with this. Alrighty, we're back, and here is the finished product. Doesn't it look delicious? I wanted to dedicate this video today to my friend Jasmine from Australia. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.